Has your mouth got you stuck? Morning stank breath, sensitive teeth from hot or cold stains? Well, I've been hacking my mouth lately using the device you just saw. I've been hacking my mouth biome and whitening my smile, and there's LED lights you can use. A brief amount of blue light whitens your teeth without using the peroxides that can damage your teeth. We did Bulletproof Radio episode number 753, going really deep on oral health, and since then I quit using any peroxides on my teeth. They're whiter than ever, and this whole kit that comes with everything you need to change your mouth biome has made a really big difference for me. In fact, a surprising difference. So it's a piece of cool new mouth technology, and it's got 16 red and 16 blue LEDs. You already know the power of red light for inflammation. Imagine that on your gums while you're whitening them. So go to naturalteethwhiteners.com, and Tina has knocked the price down from $449 to $199 for Bulletproof Radio listeners, people who follow me. So this is a new price. This is a really professional product. All you do is put it in your mouth for a few minutes every day, along with the gel that comes with it. Your teeth get whiter, and it doesn't do anything bad to the biome in your mouth. So fix the bacteria here. You have better breath in the morning, better breath all day long, and you look better, and it's without causing harm. That's a real biohack. It is naturalteethwhiteners.com. Just go there, save a bunch of money,